Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Blistex Medicated Lip Balm. Yeah, nobody wants to go around with dry lips. If you live anywhere where the humidity is very low, it's very hot, you run the risk of having dry, chapped lips. Really a pain because, literally a pain. Because when you get chapped, dry, cracking lips, it could get really bad to the point where it could start bleeding, you know. It really hurts when you try to eat something with, like if you have cracked, sensitive, sore lips. Eating anything like with salt or anything in it, it's really painful. So you really want to keep your lips very, very soft and moist so you don't have all the cracking and everything. And Blistex does that. It's a very good lip balm. Soothes your lips and keeps them very moist. It comes like this. It's kind of a pinkish color on the inside, and you use it. You turn this bottom part here and it kind of cranks it up, kind of like a lipstick. You just put it on your lips all the way around and you're good. Yeah. Like I said, depending on the area that you live in, if you live in an area that it's not much humidity and it's very dry and hot, you're probably going to have to put this on every few hours, because it doesn't last like forever, and you eat it, as you drink and eat food, it'll go right in your mouth too, but that's fine. But you'll just have to keep applying it. The one thing that, if you've never used this before, might throw you off a little bit, it's just a matter of taste. To me, it doesn't bother me much, but some people it might. The smell of Blistex, this one, it smells kind of medicine-y, almost like a menthol smell. I'm not sure why it smells that way, but it's a little bit strong. It's not too bad. You can smell it. It usually, I usually don't like any lip balms to have any odor at all, kind of like a Vaseline, This one you do smell. It's like a mentholy smell. It's not super overwhelming strong, but since your lips are right underneath your nose, you're going to, it's not going to be hard for you to smell it. So yeah, that might be something that would throw off somebody that is very sensitive to, smells and don't want something that smells mentholy or medicine-y right underneath their nose. That's something that, might be an issue. Actually, use this. Other than that, it works really well. Blistex, I've been using Blistex for probably going on about 7 years. It's very good and really keeps your mouth soft, moist. It keeps those cracks from coming, I don't really live in such a dry area. Sometimes, but where I do live, it can get very windy, and the wind can dry you out also. It can really make everything dry, You need this in dry areas. It's a must. The wind just sucks out all of the moisture out of everything. Yeah, so yeah, this would be good for anybody that is in those kind of areas. You have to use something. This would be a good choice. And you don't have to use much. You don't have to with half this stick or something, just put it on there lightly and then rub your lips together and, just rub it in, and you won't have any cracks, and it will remain soft and moist, and you're good for a while. So, but anybody who actually needs this knows that they have to probably carry it with them, Well, you don't have to have it like in your pocket all the time, but have it like at least in your car or somewhere where you can get to it when you need it. You don't want to, use it at your house and just, not have it, all day and then, use it again when you get home. You wouldn't want to do that. But yeah, that's good. I like this a lot. I hope you guys use this information. And this is the Blistex Medicated Lip Balm. All right, I will talk to you guys again soon. All right, bye-bye.